Huacheng Automotive Brake Co., Limited. The earlier company engaged in brakes in China, automobile, hydraulic drum, disc brake assembly, chassis braking systems, safely parts R&D production, and supporting private enterprises. The company has machining, stamping, welding, electrophoresis, assembly and other processes, main production brake wheel assembly, disc brake assembly, drum brake assembly, parking brake assembly. Products are widely used in electric passenger car, electric logistics vehicle, pickup series, light truck series, commercial vehicle series, SUV, bus series, construction machinery series, and other models. Since its establishment in 1998, the company relies on professional experience, technical superiority, and quality assurance. Products have become numerous in China: OEM motor factories, axle factories, light trucks, military vehicles, export vehicles, designated standard product for many years in a row. Rated by OEM is in car manufacturers, strategic suppliers, excellent suppliers, maintained a solid industry leadership position, and brand in OEMs. Technological innovation product upgrade. Businesses can continue to grow. In recent years, traditional enterprises have the overall requirements for high-end, green and environmentally friendly development. Huacheng continues to accelerate the pace of upgrading production equipment, driven product upgrades, achieved manufacturing standards in line with international standards, reach the domestic advanced level.